Hi, and welcome to my tutorial, moving a chord shape up the neck of the guitar. I'm going to make a simple chord shape, in this case an A major chord, move it up the neck and give you the name of each and every chord. The guitar is tuned standard E, A, D, G, B, E. We're going to form our A major chord by placing a finger on the D, the G, and the B string at fret 2, strumming the strings from the A string. That's our A chord. If we play this chord using only the D, the G, and the B strings, we have a major triad. That's an A major chord. If we move this chord up the neck by 1 fret each time, we'll get a different major triad. Here at fret 2, A. Fret 3, B flat. Fret 4, B. Fret 5, C. Fret 6, D flat. Fret 7, D. Fret 8, E flat. Fret 9, E. Fret 10, F. 11, G flat. And fret 12, G. Now if we use the A string as the root for each chord, the chord name will change every time. At fret 2, we have our A major chord. If we raise that to fret 3, we have A suspended 4, flat 6, flat 9. When we raise it to fret 4, we'll get A6 suspended 2, sharp 11. Fret 5 will give us A minor 7. At fret 6, we'll get A major 7, flat 13. At fret 7, we'll have A6 suspended 4. At fret 8, A7, flat 6, sharp 11. At fret 9, we'll have A major 7 suspended 2. At fret 10, we'll have A minor flat 6. At fret 11, A flat, flat 9. And at fret 12, we'll have A suspended 4 with an added 9th. Now we can mix these chords and come up with some very cool chord progressions. Here's one where we'll use fret 2, fret 5, and fret 7. Let's see if this sounds familiar. Now that might have reminded you of I Can See for Miles by The Who. You could use your imagination to come up with other progressions using any of these chords. Let's try fret 7 to fret 10. Here we go. Well, all right. That's an A chord up the neck of the guitar. That's all for now, and thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.